ঠিক আছে। Good morning, students. After a gap, we are going to read another topic for your better understanding. My Mother by Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin, as you know, was, so to say, the best comedian ever born on earth during silent era, when there was no talkie film or there were no dialogues. Charlie Chaplin was such a man with versatile genius. He was a director, film director, comic actor and composer. He suffered a miserable life in his childhood, but later, by dint of his own effort and by the grace of God, he could become all-time great. Today, we shall read or we shall come to know about him. Unit 1. I was hardly aware of a father. I would like to add here that this topic, my mother, has been taken from his autobiography, and in this, the autobiography named My Autobiography. In this chapter, Charlie has disclosed some close things of his life for the viewers or for the readers. Charlie says, I was hardly aware of a father and do not remember him having lived with us. As we find or we have seen, a large number of great people on this earth suffer in their childhood, mostly due to some family problem or some sort of poverty, unemployment, and many things. Here Charlie says that he was hardly aware of a father and do not remember him having lived with us. Charlie had no memory about his father and whether he used to live with them. However, Charlie had a faint knowledge of his father. He says his father was also a vaudevillian. Vaudevillian is not a villain, or a great character, but plays a vital role in the development of play. His father was a vaudevillian, a quiet man, calm and quiet, brooding man with dark eyes. This was the complexion of Charlie's father. Mother said he looked like Napoleon. That means he had a good complexion, a good expression in his face. Very commanding figure like Napoleon, mother used to say. He had a light baritone voice. Baritone means gambhira, that means grave voice. Grave voice, and was considered a very fine artist. Not like other or unlike other artists, other body villains. He had a grave voice, heavy voice, and also he was considered to be a fine artist. Even in those days, he earned the considerable sum of 40 pounds a week. But the trouble was that he drank too much, which mother said was the cause of their separation. Charlie's father had a good income, 40 pounds a week. Pound is the currency of England. And Charlie being an Englishman, his father was also an English. He used to earn 40 pounds a week, a good amount to maintain him and his family. But one lacuna was with him, that he was a great drunkard. He used to spend a lot of his money on drink. That was the reason, perhaps that was the reason of their separation. Now we could know that his mother separated from his father, and the reason was obviously too much drink. It was difficult for vaudevillains not to drink in those days, for alcohol was sold in all theatres. But if we say impersonally that, and impartially also, that vaudevillains had no choice but to drink with the customers. In those days, for alcohol was sold in all theatres. Alcohol was openly sold in all theatres, and after a performer's act, कौनसी एक नाटकर अंश सरिला परे, he was expected to go to the theatre bar. There was a bar attached to the theatre. Bar सहित theatre सहित रंगमंच सहित bar attached थिला. एवं vaudevillain बड़ काम थिला to attract customers, and he used to drink with the customers. ताको काम थिला जे परफॉर्मेंस परे कस्टमर्स मानको नै कि बार को जाउथिले एवं बार रे कस्टमर्स मानको सहित बसिकी पिउथिले. ए पीबार पछरे उटे कारण थिला that some theatres made more profit from the bar than from the box office. That means this bar gave more income to the owner than the box office. And a number of stars were paid large salaries, not alone for their talent, but because they spent most of their money at the theatre bar. Not only the father of Charlie, but a large number of artists, those were paid handsomely, जो मन को बहुत भलो पैसा मिलुतला, दरमा मिलुतला थिएटर तरफरु रंगमंच तरफरु, से मन किंतु पैसा बंची की रखी पार नथिले, कारण से मानकर पैसा रो गोटे बड़ अंश ए लायंस शेयर वाज स्पेंट ऑन लिकर सेमानक गोटे बड़ अंश इनकम रो ताहा एई लिकर उपरे खर्च हो जाउतला केवल चार्ली बापा नो आहुरी अनेक एमती आर्टिस्ट भल आर्टिस्ट एवं जो मनकर इनकम तो बहुत भल थिला दस मेनी एन आर्टिस्ट वाज रुइंड बाय ड्रिंक रिजल्ट होतला कौन ना बहुत भल भल आर्टिस्ट माने एई मद्यपान जोगु अचिरे ध्वंस पाई जाउतले their career abruptly ended or they passed away abruptly untimely सेमाने मृत्यु मुखरे पड़ुतिले ए दुनिया रु विदाय होतिले तरबरिया भाबरे एवं ए ड्रिंक ए वाइन अल्कोहल put an end to their promising career जेतबेले सेमाने भल भाबरे एस्टाब्लिश होइकी ऊपर को अर्थात उन्नति करुले से बेले से मृत्यु मुखरे पड़ुले तार कारण थिला एई मद्यपान एंड चार्लीज फादर वाज नो एक्सेप्शन चार्ली रो बापा मत कौन सी व्यतिक्रम नथिले ही वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ देम ही डाइड ऑफ अल्कोहलिक एक्सेस एट द एज ऑफ 37 the very prime age. It is a time when a person gets established in life completely or has time to enjoy life. However, Charlie's father died only at the age of 37. Mother would tell stories about him with humor and sadness. Charlie's mother, who was also a sensitive woman, tells stories about him, would tell stories about him with humor and sadness. A mixed reaction, a mixed feeling. तांकर मां को फीलिंग थिला एक मिश्रित प्रतिक्रिया अबाउट चार्लीज फादर विथ ह्यूमर एंड सैडनेस हास्यरस थिला ता सहित दुख मध्य थिला कहीं ना ही हैड ए वायलेंट टेम्पर व्हेन ड्रिंकिंग जेतेबेले चार्लीर बापा मद्यपान करुथिले से वायलेंट हो जाउथिले बड़ उग्र हो जाउथिले एंड वी नो इट हैपेंस यूजुअली विथ ईच एंड एवरी हैबिचुअल ड्रंकर जो मैंने रेगुलर पियंती से माने प्राय अत्यधिक मद्यपान कला परे दे गो वायलेंट सब जगह एंड ड्यूरिंग वन ऑफ हिज tantrums she ran off to Britain with some friends and in answer to his frantic telegram, "What are you up to?" answer at once. She wired back, balls, parties and picnics, darling. एवं एई भली एक पारिवारिक कोलाहल भितरे tantrums भितरे अशांति भितरे चार्लीज मदर किसी सांग मानक सहित इंग्लैंड रे आउट जगह अच्छी ता ना हूँ ब्रिटेन से ब्रिटेन को चली गले आउट सहर ब्रिटेन को चली गले एवं चार्लीर बापा जेतेबेले फ्रांटिकली पागल भली होइकी खोजिले तांको एवं टेलीग्राम करिले टेलीग्राम रे लिखिले व्हाट आर यू अप टू एबे कौन करूँ स्त्री को जेतेबेले टेलीग्राम कले स्त्री मत ह्यूमरसली दो इट वाज ए वेरी सीरियस आंसर से ह्यूमरसली चिड़ेवा कि प्रकृत रे जा हो वर्ड बैक माने सेंट बैक ए टेलीग्राम वेयर करिया माने तार करिवा अर्थात टेलीग्राम करिवा balls parties and picnics darling स्वामी को चिड़ई की से टेलीग्राम रे उत्तर देले मुझे बॉल डांस करुची बॉल्स मीन्स बॉल डांस बॉल डांस होती गोटे इंग्लिश स्टाइल रो डांस जो ए कपल or a male and female dance together with back and front or to and fro steps आगो पछ हेकी हाथ धरा धरी हेकी अंटारे हाथ रखिकी जो ना नृत्य परिवेशन करती ए नृत्य तमे देखिथिबो सिनेमा फिनेमा रे देखिथिबो ताकू बॉल डांस कहते गोटे इंग्लिश स्टाइल डांस आउ पार्टी आउ पिकनिक्स ए सबुरे मु वर्तमान समय कटौची यूज मजा करुची बोली से टेलीग्राम टे पठेदेले बाप पाख को What degree of feelings he had for my father, I never knew. मो बापा प्रति मांकर कि धरणर फीलिंग थिला ता तो मु केबे जानी नथिली but whenever she spoke of him it was without bitterness which makes me suspect she was too objective to have been deeply in love like an Indian woman has a lot of tolerance power in spite of being tortured by husband. An Indian woman hardly speaks ill of him. When it goes to the last point, जेतेबेले भी चार्लीर माँ किसी कहते बापा विषय एथिरे कौनसी तिक्तता नथिला बिटरनेस माने पिता एठी पिता मीन्स तिक्तता से बापा विरुद्ध रे किसी कहू नथिले तेणु मते सस्पेक्ट करिबारे बाध्य करुथला जे माँ कौन सतरे एते भल पाउथिले whether she was deeply in love with father. Sometimes she would give a sympathetic account of him. बेले बेले माँ बापा प्रति सहानुभूति मूलक कथा कहते बापा विषय कहते अकाउंट माने विवरणी and other times talk of his drunkenness and violence. Whenever a husband goes violent by drinking a lot, it is really very painful for a wife to tolerate or cope up. खूब कम स्त्री लोक अच्छा स्वामीर यही मदुआ पणिया को टॉलरेट करेंगे चार्ली क्षेत्र में सेया जे चार्लीकर बापा जिते पीकी बहुत माने भायोलेंट हो जाते चार्लीर माँ निजको बड़ कंट्रोल करिवारे असमर्थ हो पड़ुते एवं बापा विषय किंतु से बहुत सहानुभूतिमूलक विवरणी दौते चार्ली को जे जहाले भी जिनते आमर भारतीय महिला मानकर एटीट्यूड जे जहाले भी स्वामी इन लेटर इयर्स whenever angry with me she would ruefully say you will finish up in the gutter like your father. परवर्ती समय मु बड़ हेले हला परे माँ बेले बेले रागी की मो ऊपर कहते रूफुली मीन्स रिपेंटफुली बा दुखर सहित माँ दुखर सहित मते कहते मो ऊपर रागी की यू विल फिनिश अप इन द गटर लाइक योर फादर तू भी तो बापा भली नर्दमारे पड़ी की मरबू तो बिहेवियर जदि बापा भली उग्र हुए ताले तू भी दिने यही तोर परिणाम हम What other facts besides drink were involved, I do not know. But a year after my birth, my parents separated. That was the beginning of Charlie's sorrowful life. ଆଉ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଘଟଣା ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ଲିପ୍ତ ଥିଲା, ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ଥିଲା, ଚାର୍ଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ନାହିଁ। ସେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଟୋବାୟୋଗ୍ରାଫିରେ ବା ଜୀବନରେ ଆତ୍ମଜୀବନୀରେ ସେ ମେନସନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ବର୍ଷ ମୋର ଜନ୍ମର ବର୍ଷେ ପରେ ବାପା ମା ଅଲଗା ହେଇଗଲେ। ମଦର ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ସିକ୍ ଆଲିମନି। ଆଲମନି ମାନେ କ୍ଷତିପୂରଣ ବା କିଛି ଭରଣା ପୋଷଣ, କମ୍ପେନସେସନ୍। ମା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏସବୁ ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ବାପାଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ କୌଣସି ଦାବି କଲେ ନାହିଁ, କୌଣସି ଭରଣା ପୋଷଣ ପାଇଁ ଦାବି କଲେନି। ଦୋ ଦେୟାର ଇଜ୍ ଏ ରୁଲ୍ in every country that after separation or after a divorce, it is the duty of the father to give some help, mostly financial help, to the wife. But Charlie's mother did not seek. Reason is she was capable of maintaining herself and her family. ଚାର୍ଲିର ମା କିନ୍ତୁ କ୍ୟାପାବଲ୍ ଥିଲେ, ସେ ସପ୍ତାହକୁ 25 ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ରୋଜଗାର କରୁଥିଲେ। She was well able to support herself and her children. ସେ ନିଜକୁ ଏବଂ ପରିବାରକୁ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସାମର୍ଥ୍ୟ ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, କାରଣ ସପ୍ତାହକୁ 25 ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ସେ ରୋଜଗାର କରୁଥିଲେ। Only when ill fortune befell her, ill fortune means misfortune, ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ଆପଦ ବିପଦ ପଡୁଥିଲା, ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟ ପଡୁଥିଲା, befall ତାର past tense ହେଲା befell, she sought relief. Seeker past tense ହେଲା sought, seek, sought, S-H-S. Seek, sought, ଏ ହେଲା V2, V3. ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ବିପଦ ପଡୁଥିଲା, when she was badly in need of money or some help from her husband, she did. Otherwise, she did not ask for money. Only ill fortune befell her did she seek relief. Otherwise, she would never have taken legal steps. Legal steps माने आईनगत पदक्षेप। चाहिए से आईनगत पदक्षेप नहीं पारथान्ते स्वामी विरुद्ध रे एवं किछि कंपेनसेशन बा क्षतिपूरण भरणा पोषण पाई से नहीं थान्ते, किंतु ताहा से करिनथिले, because she was capable of maintaining her family and was able to look after her children. She had been having trouble with her voice. On one side, she was separated from her husband, and another problem cropped up. That was the problem with her voice. She was a singer, but another problem arose. It was never strong, and slightest cold brought on laryngitis which lasted for weeks. से जेहेतु गीत गाउथिले चार्ली's मदर, किंतु तांको भॉइस एता स्ट्रांग रहिला नाही। टिके टिके थंडारे स्लाइटेस्ट कोल्ड ब्रॉट ऑन laryngitis. laryngitis माने स्वर पेटिका ऊपर प्रभाव पड़ुतला एवं इट कंटिन्यूड फॉर वीक्स। ये अवस्था तांकर कई सप्ताह कंटिन्यू करतला। but she was obliged to keep working. ए अवस्था रे मध्य से तांको काम कंटिन्यू करुथिले रोजगार करुथिले so that her voice grew progressively worse जा फल कि तांकर गला आहुरी खराब हवा को लागिला आहुरी खराब हवा को लागिला तारी ऊपरे से प्रोग्राम कले गीत गाइले पैसा रोजगार करिया पई finally she could not rely on her voice. In the middle of singing it would crack or suddenly disappear into a whisper. तो गीत गाऊ गाऊ हठात करके तांकर वॉइस क्रैक करी जाउतला गला फाटी जाउतला अर्थात वॉइस ड्रॉप करी जाउतला एवं ता फुसुर अवस्था को चली आसुतला and the audience would laugh and start booing. तांकर एभली अवस्था देखि ऑडियंस माने हसुथिले एवं एणु तेणु बुइंग भर्सना करिवा बा किछि इरिटेटिंग रिमार्क दौथिले. The worry of it impaired her health. एई दुश्चिंता told heavily upon her health. तांको स्वास्थ्य को आहुरी खराब कर देला and made her a nervous wreck. Wreck माने a poor person. That means असहाय. ए वॉइस जगो बा वॉइस फेलियर जगो से आहुरी असहाय हे पड़ले. As a consequence, her theatrical engagements fell off until they were practically nil. धीरे धीरे तांकर एंगेजमेंट्स तांकर प्रोग्राम्स कमिया को लगिला एवं फाइनली इट बिकेम नील.